Okay, our kitchen.
Our kitchen.
Okay. And today we are going to be making a giant slime snowman. Anyways, guys, so I thought it'd be really, really cool if we could try and do like a little challenge, make your own snowman challenge, where we get like cloud fluff. Since it's kind of like snow, it's made with, you know, instant snow. We make some cloud fluff and we make the little snowmans and then we mix it together. And yeah, and I'm really, really excited for this because I have never done this. And let's get straight on into the video.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start making these slimes. So we gotta get our gallons of glue, of milk. I can't tell you guys how many times I have looked at these gallons of milk from the corner of my eye and like thought,
milk?
oh, I should make some cereal or something. Did I just say
You said milk.
Oh my god.
Of milk.
Alright guys, next security is... Paul, can you go bring us lotion?
Oh, you want lotion?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get you.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Why
That was
does my...
totally magical
Wait, hold on a
powers.
second.
Alright guys, so we're gonna add a bunch of lotion in here. Not too much, not too little.
Okay, a bunch, not too much, not too little. What
Don't
does
put a
that
bunch.
mean?
No, that's enough. That's enough. Alright, so it's all mixed now. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some activator in it. Alright guys, we are all done making our slime. Now it is time to make our slime. Our cloud fluff slime. Alright, so we got our Insta Snow right here, so let's go ahead and start making the Insta Snow. We need another box. Stop! There you go.
Wait a minute.
There's a plane.
Where?
Oh wow, guys, look at this.
It worked, guys.
Yeah.
It worked.
Okay, so gotta get our bucket right here. We're gonna put the Insta Snow in there. And guys, I had to get my Insta Snow from Walmart because Crazy Art just came out with Insta Snow. I'm so happy, by the way. Anyways, we had to get it at Walmart because Slimatory is still gone. We haven't been able to find it, and I don't have any more Insta Snow. All right, guys, now it's time to add the water. This is my favorite part, so let's do this. I'm done. Yes, it's so cool. Okay, there you go. Got our slime. All right, now let's go ahead and add our snow in there. Wow.
Hey, you're dropping it.
I used a lot of snow, guys.
You took it all.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Guys, this slime so far has such an amazing texture. It's like, it's almost like cottage cheese because it's really like globby. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Oh, now I want cottage cheese.
Guys, my slime has such a nice texture. It's like cottage cheese. It's so thick and like weird. I love it, guys. It's almost, it kind of also looks like rice in a way. I don't know if you guys can see it.
What about mine?
Wow, Mom's is almost already done.
Yay.
Wow. All right, now what I think I'm gonna add in this little piece of slime is some shaving cream because that like kind of helps it to be more drizzly. So 1 second, that into there. Not a lot though. All right, guys, we're all done making our cloud cream. Finally, it took forever, guys, and now it is all nice, guys. This is the best cloud cream I have ever made. Like, oh my gosh, let me just show you the cookie. I just have to. It is so soft and it is so drizzly. It's the best. I honestly don't even know how to make it because it was like trash before. Look at how nice that is. Look at that drizzle. Yes. All right, so now guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint or dye our slimes. And yeah, we have all these colors right here. I know you guys are probably like, no, mine's supposed to be white. Well, you know, snowmans are all supposed to be made out of snow, but these are made out of instant snow, so. Okay, I think I'm just gonna make the middle part of my snowman pink. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. I am so excited. All right, let's put our paint. And guys, I actually really like this paint. It's from Art Time, and it's almost like food coloring. And it like makes such pretty colors, so just had to say that. Except the blue, I don't really like the blue. I am a mess.
You guys should see her room.
Ooh, this looks so cool, guys. It kind of looks like marble.
Ooh, I like that one.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is taking forever to mix though, guys. It's so fluffy and so big. All right, guys, here's the color it turned out to. It actually turned really, really pretty pastel pink, and I like it a lot.
I'm done.
Mom, your snowman's falling a little bit. Guys, we're gonna have to mix our snowmans faster because the snowmans fall like crazy.
They melt.
They melt, I guess.
Told you they would melt.
Alright guys, it got way too late. We were kneading for so long and we were doing stuff and it just got way too late. So we decided to do it in the morning. Anyways, here it is. Alright, we got this right here and this. And this and this and this. Recap. Alright guys, I think it's time, guys. Let's go ahead and put our snowmans together and hopefully it doesn't end up disaster asterisk. I don't know what the heck I'm saying. Anyways, let's do this. Mom, go, 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 go.
No, 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 no. I want to put the face on first.
Putting the body.
No, I'm putting the face.
Oh my god, look at my snowman! Although it's kind of falling apart already and his body's a little bit fatter than his bottom, but it's okay. Guys, my snowman.
It looks like
it's just cloud cream, so it doesn't stick that much. That's good.
It looks like ice cream. Everything looks like ice cream to me, though.
Every slime looks like ice cream to you, Mom. I have clay for the nose, and then we have different buttons right here, and then for the buttons, and then we have more buttons for the mouth as like they're small buttons, and then we have pipe cleaners, but these ones are called fuzzy sticks, and I like that better. But we have these for the arms, so yeah, and we have a bunch of glitter. All right, guys, so it seems like I have like a 30-second limit for how much these, because like when I pile these on top of each other, they start to fall down already. So we're gonna have to do this quick. All right, guys, so I think we should make the face off of the body and then put the face on the body because it's just gonna fall apart. We gotta do this quick, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna be putting two big googly eyes. Here we go. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the mouth, and I think for the mouth, I'm gonna use these colorful buttons.
It's my face, guys. Do you like it? Here, do you like my face?
It's kind of funny though. There is my snowman. Okay. It's kind of getting a little melted already. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and try and mold the nose. Mom, your nose looks like a penguin's nose. Alrighty, now it's time to do the body. Okay, now I'll just leave that like kind of molding. I guess I'll do 3 of these colorful buttons. Ooh, it's so cute already. And now we gotta put the arms. Alrighty, I got my arms. So I don't really know how we're gonna do this, guys. So yeah, usually you use like a twig. And ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Oh, we forgot the sparkly ones. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Alrighty, I am almost done. We just have the bottom one now, and I don't think you added anything to the bottom, right?
If you want to.
Can I make a shoe?
I would.
And like put it on the bottom? I think I'm going to make curly hairs though. Alrighty, I am almost done. We're almost done, guys. Alright guys, I made little curly hairs to put on the snowman. I thought it'd be cute, so yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, so we got our snowman. He's a little messed up again. I'm gonna have like a crazy looking snowman, guys.
Nice hair.
Thanks. Does it look good? Alright, well that is it. You know what I should have done? I should have put cat ears. I want to make cat ears. Okay.
Hey, you guys like my hair?
That's actually really cute. Alright guys, I made cat ears. These are the best I could do, so let's just see how that goes. Thank you. My head is getting so messed up, guys. Alright.
I want to see.
Ta-da! Is that good?
Aww. It's so cute. Well, I put bows on my Ameerah.
That is so freaking cute, guys. Oh my gosh. Make a nose with a fuzzy string. Guys, look what I made a freaking nose on a fuzzy strings. I am so happy because it works so much better. These fuzzy strings are amazing, guys. Like, we need to play with these more often. All right, guys, we're gonna attempt to put it together now. I am so excited. I think we should do it one at a time, though.
Let's go.
Okay, I guess I'll go first. So we got the bottom piece, and then we got the body. All right, and then now we put the head. too full.
I'll help you stand.
Thank you, Mom.
I was,
Ta-da!
I was talking to Mr. Cutie over here.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I
Okay.
shoved
Ameerah, you just...
I just shoved a fork in this back, guys. Is that helping?
Oh, it is.
Ta-da! You guys want to see the fork? I don't know if I can like lift it. Okay, you just come over here.
Oh, I see it.
Do you see it? I just shoved a fork in there. Ta-da! Look at how cute it is. It's a little, it's okay. It's like a little short, chubby snowman. I like it.
It's getting chubbier.
It's so cute. All right, I'm gonna try to put some glitter on this. We're putting some magical dust, and now the snowman will become alive.
1, 2, 3.
Ta-da! It's my snowman's dying! Okay, it's okay, I'll fix you. I'll fix you. We got some magical dust. It's okay. It's okay.
It's the same. It hasn't moved. Go, go, go. Put more magic, Ameerah.
All right, Mom, you can go now.
All right, guys. Here's the body. Oh my God. Now I understand your pain, Ameerah. Maybe if I put a little hole in here.
Why did you put a hole?
The scissors in
No.
here. Yes.
You're not gonna get the other head on, Mom.
I have to see it from the front. Excuse me?
Yours is just getting worse. It's just literally.
Oh, mine too.
There's no saving this anymore. I just can't. Paul, I'm gonna try and save it. Watch.
Oh, she's saving it. Watch, please.
Oh no.
Did its mouth fall off?
It's like really messed up.
Oh god! Oh my gosh! Why didn't you tell me anything?
What?
Look at its mouth! It looks like it doesn't have a lower jaw. All right, I'm putting mine together.
Well, now mine's going away.
And ta-da! It's back to normal. It's so cute, right?
It happened.
All right, guys, now it's time to mix our snowman unfortunately, but it's okay. We can just make another one. Let's mix this baby up. All right, so let's take its arms out. Oh, that's sad. Let's take its ears out and its hairs.
I'm taking a selfie with mine.
Okay. All right, let's do this. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty, but goodbye, beautiful snowman. I guess I'll make another one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Ugh, and thick. Okay, this is the best snowman ever. You could never do this with actual snow. Well, you could. You just freeze your hands off. Okay, I think I'm done now. Ugh, but it's so gorgeous. Okay, Mom, you can do it now.
I'm just gonna.
It's not gonna stay like that, Mom. It's just gonna melt.
I'm just gonna keep mine like this. See, it's standing. I'm gonna take him everywhere with me.
Oh my gosh.
I can so take him, guys. Look.
Oh no, Mom, please don't.
Say hi to Snowy, guys. Oh.
Oh.
Hello. Bye, Snowy. Oh. It was nice knowing you. Oh, man. Snowy? I'm sorry I have to do this to you.
Mom, can you stop talking to it?
It's
Makes
my
it sadder.
friend.
Makes it sadder.
It's my friend. Bye, Snowy. It was nice knowing you for the past 30 minutes.
Could you please?
One last hug.
You're already halfway there. Could you just continue? It looks horrible. Mom, please.
Just do it.
Yeah, I'll help you.
No! No! His nose, he won't be able to breathe.
Okay, it's done.
Bye, Snowy. Oh, your eyes. Oh, jeez, let me take this out.
You stab him in the back more.
I know.
That's my
Bye, Snowy. Ameerah made me do it. I didn't want to do it. Guys, this is not funny. Ugh. You guys are mean. Yeah,
You can always make him again.
Here, Mom, Snowy had a baby. You can have this one. Oh, it's cute. Hi. Guys, this is actually so much fun. We should do this every day. Alright guys, so I guess that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment, let me know part 2. And if we should do another one, like maybe Galaxy or Mermaid themed, I don't know. And I still have to know, you guys. That's disturbing. Anyway, that's it guys. Thanks so much. We hope we see you next time.